Here is a newcomer to our story. Princess Elizabeth evidently inherits her parents' love for the horse. Princess Elizabeth and Princess Margaret Rose, two charming children, may God bless them. The King is crowned.
The then 11-year-old princess receives a lasting impression of majesty.
The most charming and natural pictures ever taken of our royal family.
We know from experience what it means to be away from those we love most of all.
Her Royal Highness is already well tutored in the many responsibilities of state, which one day will be hers. Her entry into the official life of a nation is already well established.